Hello, this is the Cajun from Cooking with the Cajun. Bella and I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And one of our holiday ingredients we created was turkey bone broth. We cooked it for 49 hours on the Control Freak by Breville, and it came out delicious. So this holiday season when you're cooking, check our video out. Make some turkey bone broth, and from there, the dishes are endless what you can make with this awesome, delicious bone broth. And the flavors are awesome. It smells great. We got to get back to cooking. From our family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's.